nyin ka jabi akuma da promo ya faham nte dabe tax force to because tax force le established wala londe ta kaje ko nyindo ko bitano la nyaadi le anyama kaje ko anin luway nyotale kaje ko mulla nyanto ya tankale kaje ko ay tanya ndakata nyame wo kammala ye mol be min yalon ko wala dabe nyon ko ko baydi nin ko silo lem ni be silo fola silo jumal le tamu silo fawoti man sa kunda e sembodi jumal la pour ka silo mara ñim banko kam men do mara le silo la wala national road authority ya ko akumata yol na fina ko feneta tax force ñin kono ka tax force ñin advice that is one fulan ñango ni ko silo fanang loro le be kiri ni wala atna fiscal planning sort fiscal planning la department man sa kunda e sembodi wala fen fen be lo ñim banko kan ni bungole bayde nin ko silo kan fen fen bota encroach wala yelo ro kan silo public space so do wala ko monitor wala do wala marta wala fiscal planning fana natal pour la tax force kon say ñu ko silo drive wala moto le drive ñu wala marli wala ni drive we have Gambia Transport Union so wol fana la executive members are part of the tax force ni ko silo la regulations menu ka drive man ta ko tel ninte Gambia Police Force de mardi wala de mobile unit so Gambia Police Force wala yatin na ka security le ay foja do ko ni tara na da security sembentu ya hada mo de wala nyanto la security because ko mata babe wata tambire jang accident no sira nyum banko kam bakele and wol be kono nyimbe dabe wala kono kaaje ko accident ni mo anyam anasi fal kala la nyame so Gambia Police Force le be nyin do ko nyi nyaton kaya kan ka kodini in under the leadership of the National Security Office of National Security so basically this is what is happening but amanda wala de because now we from one part of the country to the other so we have Banjul represented from BCC Banjul City Council representative because the livelihood of the people will be affected in that area. So we also have representative from KMC, Kanifing Municipal Council, who have another tax force. But we also have representative from the Brikama Area Council. Because this is the area, one of the first target, the greater Banjul. We have another executive for Purumbenga Si, Jenny basically Kachata Nagi, Nimdo Kobekino Lanyari, Osatara, Nyantaka Menkinga, Naki Anyama. Wala atinna ni blue kafnyo bari hani National Livestock Owners Association wol fana dabula ni jele mune osabu because na kalam ta war sokka janko ni sol ni beyamol katara molla silo kan an silo mo digate mi alon ka man dada pour beyamole adada pour motolle and wo fana nasi naso na fina ni nada silo la fanala so mbeme fokan I'm giving you a background as to what is actually happening so that Molia understand ni be caring and no ngasilo betale ka jeko amin nyanda nyindo ko kono be fen kila wasata fen nan ka ni luwa nyota wala na mumu de nan kala lod lan min to o dabula tan ko kaaje ko National Road Authority ka falan don la silo dan tajande na silo la fano mu nyinete adan tajande nyimbugo wala nyimbiti ko andu tan silo kanne o mu kilinete physical plan la do ko men wala ko nyimme bungol ay bungo mel lo the original plan is not this because ay bungolo nyaamen dol bu ka approve moy bungolo wo nyaama woto ay men kafuji ay bondiji so amuda momo responsibility the Gambia Police Force wala responsibility ji wala kaaji ko femo fe luwala nyim banko anyata ka tamandi itolle ka enforce so ni ko nyim mal logo ni nyanta ka bojanne police le ka mek so ko yayi tan wala kaari nyanta ka bojanne bojam ni te ko te bono la ji dol be bondi la ji ni ko te bono la ji dol be bondi la ji so ni ne be kiri so ya fanya nga KMC kele Serakunda Marseto and all the Diamosiata and Serakunda expired junction because they were ground on the ground me mabe ni almost ala lulu on the ground expired junction manole ya be occupy ya be ke garaso ya so ya be ke Marseto mune o sabu mane na rafale ko Marseille membe Serakunda wat sotanu molle kata firo ke Marseille kono enen travel kanyo se ya plasola ni driver bota dami do la fini so ni driver na ko dum noji driver bay wala nyama do man fo say garaso Serakunda garaso akata Marseille driver funta siloka say atata fo jamano tambita say instead of Marseille pour ka maintain as a market Marseille now akata stall it so why for that ka funtina e kana manoka because what to so na contact within the people because we hanya ko do ka tayle ka do Marseille so easy access moment e ka de mo kinne kana loja so ka firo ke ni do betam laaji ji an ko jan firo ka ke bakale o fana e bo abe dama ena ka fo before you know it je fata tap e silo be occupy so what we did was this is a road silole yada welcome the purpose of the road is put motole tan mo tan so it's not meant for business it's not meant to be a market so go be clear the same procedure will continue coming for Brikama the first day in Brikama I was there Brikama do ko start man everything na silo normal comme ka kanyama ka Brikama nyambay na mama le fo frara nun to kasulle but I think say ya change men bije the fuel station kasulle men ngi but ka kala muta ko ni dem Brikama talade e kam to kasulle garage e kam kastur o essentiel men bije box babala de e kam do garage ni moto na da di moment tamire ja oil la drone joko la drone traffic ko block dal ni kata traffic ko block dal because moto le kana ye low ye mol jinde kasul ye try to ibe dol try ka pick ibe moto la ka pick ibe ton la from there the other side of the road ye park box babala ji o football field babala ji ka mol akam do it turned out to become the garage mune one of the reason mune sabu is that the same thing men kita in Serakunda wala be ke kan in Brikama ndara Brikama le ngatara Brikama garaso yada da pour garaso la but garaso ni na fenso dan na wala bi marché mol na le chaos ye newol ta yake bungoti ko bitiko ye ke me fenso balo bebal bara man da wala de hani garaso kono muto nyata ka tondame sakulul le bije muto burna na nyata ka tondame direction o sakulul kono yo fana be pempeng ya be ke bitiko so it got to a level say garaso yele mata almost akeda marché yeah, you understand? This is what is happening. So what we did is, fengo femme along ko ite mantra garaso kono, ite Marcel, ite mantra garaso kono because garaso mutol ni katara yi, ini apprentice ni drive wall ni safety garaso, ni bele wutu, everybody out, because it's not meant for that. That is one. Why makang siyan, wala makang siyan di Brikama, that's one. The other issue is, ni nata marché fango jato kono iba jala ko ni bota police station of dorong I church bandrong ibe la hafulo men sur la dorong tal usule kata loptano annu na kala mo tandiro ke loptano do e diam dal fay batata ambulance o me yalla ko sasa to kata je ka bonni nan ka bo Brikama kata fo bagnul wala dawoda pour enta kala jata ken daso pour ambulance o fo ngoy tan bu la ke problème muno sabu because loptano la fen soni wo fana the same thing ya beke kantin wolle ya be kanti won silo tada bulubani mara silo tada fo afara tep hani mo nal mo fulbe tamaka waddol mo fulbe ka tamano silo kan street nal be tamaka alka karol di ni ambulance o pipi ambulance ni mol kanyo saba so nyim ko dem ko an manole we cannot accept this so ngaje ko nying fay clear abe senya so we remove all of those ya no sa ni kita ko dem ko idea mo siandi. The third part is marché fango jato marché ni tambira fish market malem in Sarakunda sorry in Brikama marché ni fango yemello ni ka kof da meta Transgambia marché ni fango yemello was a marché lo building by building space le tema almost 10 meters space le building all tema almost 10 meters Walk 10 meters after the tap because from the building to the next building, ya beke kantingol ni nawale ti ina ti jurumaje. The purpose of that was one of the purpose of that is for passage of people, and in case of any emergency, vehicles can pass through, fire service can pass through, ambulance can pass through, any other vehicle can pass through. Suneke safara suneke ni ada dimba boda. You understand? Fire service bina ibe tambila ni walla. Easy access to where the fire is. How many times Brikama be jan la fire ban?
Fire service buka dunno.
Abuka dunno.
Na wo moto nyati.
Ya faham. So wo mo clean it. Hani ala fire be ke kam itala moto be bule bitiko be jam mama. You can go with your vehicle fengol be bondi. Jamin dimba futima. But buka kilo because the place is so compacted. Newol libiji ya fix ya concrete banko kono mo buka bonni mo katambino even in that pour mo fulay tambi it's a problem what we came we said from the building originally this is the building Marcela building to building ma marché fem maji something is originally built is kept there whatever was not part of the market under construction na be bonni
wala chochona understand now
yeah wala chochona but I mean look at it domol la kawafiji fengol la kawafiji min katanga suwol kono ventilation it requires ventilation the environment is not even healthy kurangol be fidol be jahasering everywhere bla be knowing the reason is because there is no space even to clean so these are some of the things that happened and we feel that it is important it's part of our responsibility by the silolem what ka ha you call it silol de dala mean silol tenin ndolla president ko all highways and roads main roads in this country silo abe we are going to ensure it is clear. The purpose of the silo aikewati. in Brikama, and we understand that Brikama is like it's a city for West Coast. Every part of West Coast like can have business. We understand that yes, you know, we can say the population science and the Marseille and in the capacity, and now yes, there is room for discussion. But you know, for Jandeng, people coming over saying certain sentiments, and whether you know it or not, it has an impact on the operation.
Good.
Whether we accept it or not.
Good.
Those statements has impact on the operation, because others will feel that okay, it's an authority who says this shouldn't happen. So I can stubbornly say, you know, we had those issues, but because why is we have a responsibility to do. The Gambian people has given us a task through the government of the Gambia that this tax is enforced, because that's the essence of government. The Gambian people elected a government to ensure that the governance, the running, the in and out of this country is governed by that government. The government came together. We are all institutes of the government. The Gambia Police Force, NRA, and all that. Development aspiration we can say, but for how long? Why now? It's better late than never. If this is realized that this is an issue, it has security implications, it has health implications. So it's better to address them now. You know, Bekiri. So when kake ikajale mo sai kamenge ikabola bitikol konal di bagasul be bondi ko ko atole nyenge ala wutu jam ibuka wutu de ikata ya pa now they come and nimbe tamenge they come and stand, everybody is standing. The other day we are on arrest ko mo ni ngatara lori biti wo bitikol balaje wo minen ko mo le bon mo taraje, let's arrest all of them because they have an interest, that's why they are standing here. If nidol tante they don't have ko ne mo nyinga jumale bi jang boroma daf ko tejje ne ko fi ana boroma because wax nañ boroma mu gene ko ken do muna gis boroma nko now everybody from that junction to that junction, that line ale momo taraji ala be arrest, we take them to the station because ima interest to ji aman kita why are you there? Then it's shut out. When we get to the station we start. When I said that kuneka disappear, more be disappeared. So newal be jurumaningi. So the plan is this. The other day nim from Koltara, the towing machine men ka moto sika. So because we wanted to come with a caterpillar, woman nanu what time. So towing machine newal tara. Ikan newal sitala ya sitting in chaos is no bala. Na saba akawutule. So we are able to do that in the garage. Understand? But there are other buildings water working all. So likely going forward tomorrow we'll be in Brikama, hopefully tomorrow ni after the logistics in place tomorrow and day after tomorrow for jandim babanan. I want people to understand this is serious. This is a mantra chahanola and we are not relenting. Because we have been given a responsibility and we are going to do what it takes to ensure that we do that because we are serving the Gambian people and the Gambians need to know that. I have heard you cannot be illegally occupying a space and you feel it is our responsibility to inform you that we are going to remove you from there. That is one. But we even did that. Already. Again, you have to start saying even take element to even someone
Yeah, that's the top of the talk.
Even someone. I'm not saying it's not a fair question. But what I'm trying to say is I don't have any dispute in that. But the fact that these people are occupying spaces that they should not occupy legally, we have to understand that. At the beginning of this, individually, yes, people will be affected. But collectively, as a nation, as a people, this is what we need. And this is good for our security, this is good for our health, this is good for our development, this is good for our tourism, this is good for us.